Hi guys and welcome to my cooking diary. Today we are going to make a very delicious, creamy and melt in the mouth chicken Malai Tikka. So let's get started.
I have taken half a kg of boneless chicken cubes. To this I will add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. I have also crushed 1 green chilli in this. 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Salt as required. So I have taken 3/4 cup of normal curd and I have hung it for 2 hours. So this is approximately half a cup of Hund Curd. Half a cup of AMUL fresh cream. You can also take homemade cream. 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. 1 tablespoon of Kasoori Methi. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or cornflour. This is for binding the mixture together. We will now mix everything together with a spatula. Rub this chicken thoroughly with your hands so that the mixture is coated evenly on all the chicken cube. Let the chicken marinate for the minimum of 1 hour now. So I have marinated my chicken for 2 hours and now it's time to smoke the chicken. Make a little space in the center, put a steel bowl and add live charcoal in it. Make sure that your charcoal are very hot. Now to smoke, we will add a tablespoon of ghee. See the smoke coming out. Cover your chicken with the lid. Smoke the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes now. Open the lid after 4 minutes and let your chicken rest like this for a minute. Remove the bowl carefully. It's time to prepare the tikkas now. For this, just take a wooden skewer. Take a chicken cube, fold it into half and insert it in the wooden skewer. Insert rest of the chicken cubes like this in the skewers. So one stick is ready and you can prepare rest of the sticks like this. Take a grill pan or non-stick tawa, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Put all the skewers one by one on the grill pan. Keep your flame low to medium. Let the chicken cook and it will take approximately 4 to 5 minutes on each side. After that, we will turn the chicken once it has turned golden brown. So the chicken is now cooked on one side. We will now turn all the chicken skewers and cook the chicken skewers from the other side as well. It will again take 4 to 5 minutes. You can add more butter if needed, and you can also brush your tikkas with butter. Our tikkas are now completely cooked on both sides. You can turn the chicken skewers and notice golden brown color on both the sides. So our tikkas are now ready. Garnish your tikkas with freshly chopped green coriander and some onion rings. And squeeze some lemon juice. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.